Yes, young lady.
I have a bladder problem.
A what problem? Bladder problem? Young lady, I know that this happens to most of you in your very early age of 65 and 70 and 80. And you know, I just had a case in Tennessee. And this is not going to cost you a dime. And all of you who have bladder problem, poor urine retention, they even make a special diapers for us now, Retain. You want to see how good this plan is? I want you, don't pay me any money, don't come to see me. Go straight to the herb store and buy yourself some chickweed. Put that down, please. Chickweed. That's right. C-H-I-C-K. Chick, like chicken. W-E-E-D. You buy yourself some chickweed and make a tea. Not only is this good for you, it's good for me. It strengthens my prostate gland instead of me getting up 10 times a night. You understand? Chickweed, man. And in less than 2 days, well, that is different. What you need for that now is some iron or the Bioelectra 1 and 2. But the chickweed would definitely work. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.